Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to measure the different parameters of the track circuit in location box. Let's start the measurement. Here you can see that each track circuit requires 3 batteries in series 3, 2, 1. Each battery is 2.1 volt. This is choke. We have to measure the drop at choke, and the black one, this is the resistance. We have to calculate the resistance, or we have to measure the drop at resistance. The maximum value of this resistance is 15 ohm. Now you can see here, this is the another resistance for the another track circuit, and all these are chokes, and this is the charger. This is the old model of the charger, and here you can see that the charger has different modes like boost mode, others, and here it is 2, 3, 4 represents the battery connections, and this is the new model of the charger, and this is used for the track circuit number 100 TF, and the input is represented by L and N, and the output is positive and negative, and this is just a terminal for the connection. We have to measure the charger voltage and current while disconnecting either the positive or the negative terminal from the charger. Now here you can see all the batteries are connected in series. Now how to calculate the current? While measuring the current, we should disconnect the terminal, because the current always measured in series, and for this we have to take the margin from the station master or the panel operator. Now I am going to remove the terminal. You can see that we have to unscrew it and remove the terminal, because current must be measured in series. Now you can see that it is disconnected. Now while measuring the current, the multimeter must be adjusted on current mode, not on voltage mode. Now I am setting the multimeter on the current mode and measuring the current, and here the current should be measured in ampere or milliampere. Now you can see that it is 410 milliampere. 410 milliampere. We should take the maximum value of the multimeter. Now I am going to remove the positive terminal of the charger to measure the charger voltage and current. While disconnecting, I am going to put the pins of the multimeter on black and red terminal of the charger, and here you can see that the charger voltage is 9.44 volt. Now I am going to check the individual battery voltage. The battery number 2 is showing 2.2 volt, battery number 1 is showing 2.10 volt, and the total battery voltage must be measured by using the multimeter. For this we have to put the pin on the either side of the terminal, and it is the total battery voltage is measured is 6.19 volt. For the track circuit 77 CT, the first battery voltage is 2.10 volt. Now the first battery voltage is 2.11 volt, and the second battery voltage is 2.03 volt, and the third battery voltage is 2.12 volt, and the total battery voltage is 6.19 1.25 volt. Now while measuring current, we have to adjust the multimeter on current mode. Now I am going to check the current of the charger, and current must be measured in series. Here I am inserting one terminal into the charger and the other into the wire, and the current is 360 milliampere. Now I am measuring the drop at the choke. Here you can see that 1.28. Now the drop at the choke track circuit 77 CT, and here it is again 1.22, and time to measure the drop at the resistance. Drop at the resistance of 100 CT track circuit is 1.28, and now I am going to measure the voltage of the track circuit 77 CT, and here you can see that it is 3.76 volt. Now 100 TF track voltage, and it is 3.85 volt, and track voltage must be measured at glued joint. Again you can see that the track voltage is 3.89